Mine.
That kill?
Morning.
You instant died in that demo.
How the fuck did I kill?
Oh! You're nuts.
I'm fully charged. I'm gonna.
What the fuck?
You go here. Let me go scout. I feel like I'm sweating a little bit.
Yeah, same.
What is say yes?
It's... say it.
Gex.
You will not say Gex.
Oh, we both used guillotine.
You will not
Gex.
say Gex.
I would never.
Wait, don't hit me. I need to do something.
Okay.
No, I don't like using official stuff.
Slow down around.
Pow!
Sniping!
Yeah! Oh!
Sniping!
Fair enough, I'll give it up.
No!
Oh, you got it,
What are y'all doing? Oh.
Anthony, if you hit me, you're not opium. No, you're supposed to be opium! Give you guys like a watch and learn on how to...
For real. Oh yeah, just got revenge because you're W and money. Let's go, it's got another revenge.
Oh my
keep
god.
going, I'm not gonna do it yet. Yeah! Go!
Oh god, you filmed me. Okay. I'm getting him!
What the fuck is this? What is this Uber?
Best Uber of my life.
Uber me.
Look, we've already used the Uber. Yes, get in! Hold on, I'm gonna try and trick stab them with a... Yes! Oh my god, I did it!
Alright, I got caught.
Come here.
Let's go.
Alright.
Oh my god, I'm insane!
Yeah, I've noticed you were AFK.
The sissification of black rappers.
Speaking of awesome, I'm dead.
Come here! Ah!
Oh!
I'll kill you guys with myself. If you get what I mean.
Oh, concierge is a
Oh, heavy.
Hell yeah. What? Oh.
Oh, I'm not unhappy, what the fuck?
I mean, he's spitting.
Oh my god!
Anyway, yeah. Look, unless you guys just don't want colored objectives.
Yeah, I want Maxwell in black and white.
Yeah.
Black Maxwell,
No.
Blackswell. I'm renaming myself that.
What did I just...
Okay, if I hit this trim, I'm insane.
Nah, but the word love is so funny though. Like, I had to laugh at the word love. Like a requirement or something.
Damn, kinda warm.
Yeah, go. I'm hurting so much HP.
Alright, I got dickhead upstairs.
That sounds like you're talking about God.
Yeah, I know, I was about to say.
dickhead upstairs.
The dickhead upstairs, or he created me.
Yeah, big scout upstairs. Should be fine.
You're running. What the fuck is it doing?
Yeah, I'm stuck underneath it.
He froze that.
We go Gyms is creatine, Alpha Sigma. Yep, no one cares, mate. Why don't you go medic?
No, I'm not a
Well then shut up.
No.
Shut the fuck
I
up.
was top scoring on friend.
You're gay as fuck, I don't give a fuck.
Shut the fuck up, you fucking faggot, fuck you, cunt, fuck off, fuck you.
Oh, don't do it, it's not worth it. That heavy's too strong.
He must think shit sweet right here. That's my hood, shorty. You bugging. You must not know that I'm thugging. Oh shit. Damn, he must.
You bugging, you know I not know that I'm thugging. Oh, I just...
If you die within the next 10 seconds, I'm gonna laugh at you.
They can't touch me. Oh, okay, they just did.
Do you want a masturbate? No, journeyman bait.
Yeah. Bro, why was that all
So many.
No, let me just close.
Oh, that's so scummy.
Alright, I'm dead. That's what you think I'd say. Okay, never mind. So, I've got everything. That's why I'm winning.
I think I'm an idiot.
Yeah, you are.
Am I?
Maybe I will inquire into it.
maybe I will die of fatal heart disease. Hit every note.
Oh no, control point could go on for 10 years. Oh no. I will bomb Israel now.
What? Never. Oh, how they make. No. It's not gonna get this. Get out. No.
He's like a fight your ghost, man.
I would back Anthony's. I can't help. This is too much for me. The what?
German scout.
Jeremy, Massachusetts.
Stop. Anthony.
Why can't I? It's broken.
It's a gay dog.
Yeah, that gets hit by.
Is there any straight dogs?
Yeah, there's also a street dog.
That gay dog makes me interested in gay dogs.
Which is Mario Kart.